nga po, ang OSG po ay nag-refuse dun sa pagsagot sa mga petitions ng Duterte siblings. Ang DOJ po ang tama sumagot na po para po sa gobyerno.
Yes. We were given the authorization by the Executive Secretary to kami na sumagot. At okay na. Nabigyan na namin yung comment namin kahapon.
Sir, anything that you'd like to highlight dun po sa reply? Ano po ba yung gusto niyo maintindihan po?
Hindi na. Hayaan na natin. Yung dokumentong binigay namin, sapat na yon para sagutin yung mga sinabi nila sa korte.
Sir, but medyo tungkol din sa ICC po ba? May we know kung ano po yung sinabi ninyo about ICC and Interpol? Kasi yun po yung...
Hindi yun ang issue nun. Ang issue lang naman habeas corpus eh. We answered it already. Sinagot na namin.
Pero sir, kakayanin pa na ibalik pa si dati?
Wala na yun. Tapos na yun eh. Tapos na yun.
So,
It's a done deal already.
So,
It's there already.
sir, dun sa decision.
May hearings na yun doon eh. Continuing na hearing. I think there's judicial notice that the hearings are ongoing already in The Hague. So, and there is a setting for September 23. So we rely on that.
So, sir, kahit na maglabas ng desisyon ang SC dun sa mga petitions na pinay.
That's speculative. I cannot answer anything speculative at this point.
But for you, sir, mahirap nang ibalik, hindi na maibabalik.
It's a done deal. It's there. Ando na siya eh. Tsaka sabi niya naman haharapin niya yung charges eh. I think that he has repeated that to all of us. Lahat tayong Pilipino narinig natin na sinabi sa atin ni dating Pangulong Duterte na haharapin niya ang kahit na anong paratang sa kanya kahit sa ICC. Kaya yun na yun. Ando na siya.
So may we know, sir, ano na i-dismiss po ba yung petition for...
The res ipsa loquitur, the thing speaks for itself. Whatever is submitted, that's it. That's it.
Sir,
I will not speak about the comment because it is in court right now.
Sir, on the Solicitor General nga po na nag-refuse, nakausap po ba niya?
It's personal to him. I have no I have no comment on that.
Task Force EJK po. May update po sa Task Force EJK.
Tuloy-tuloy yun. We've been doing our work on the EJ case. It's slow grinding police work no enforcement work that we have to dig up because the records are not complete. We just have to recreate many of the records and many of the things that happened.
Sir, maka-apekto ba yung ICC conviction dun sa mga local cases po na regarding dun sa...
You cannot try the person naman twice for the same act. So, iba yung sa ICC, iba yung dito. Iiwasan natin yun. Hindi natin gusto isabayan. Kasi kung isa ng jurisdiction ang nag-hear ng isang bagay, huwag na natin ulitin. Kasi double jeopardy yun. Hindi makatarungan yun. We just want justice.
Sir, may mga lumalabas po na kita kay Papa Red susunod. Would the same scenario happen?
Hindi ko alam eh. Speculative pa rin yan. Speculative.
Sir, medyo divided. Merong pro, may anti, marami po mga sinasabi about the issue. What do you want them to understand?
Basta tayo, we should remain, as a country, we should remain united in the spirit of justice. We just want justice to be done to all concerned. Whether they were victims or they are the ones who perpetrated injustice, then let justice be done. Yun naman, that should unite us as a country. Gusto natin lahat ng hustisya.